Mmm. Hola, y'all. So it's Queen Meek, and I'm back. So the first thing you want to do is boil you some eggs. Took about 15 minutes. Then when you get done, you want to slice them in half and separate the yolk part from the egg part. Um, so yeah, I try to use a spoon sometimes, as long as you cook them good enough. They won't necessarily fall apart, but because I hate when eggs fall apart. So like I said, you want to separate it. I usually use a spoon because it helps to scoop the yolk out. And what I'm doing is just doing that there. Yeah, all of that good stuff. If I sped this up, it was gonna be too fast. Now it's kind of too slow, so I'm just killing time. Let's eat, basically. So how y'all day been? Good. So far this week, it's been a mental health check-in with myself, but I'm here. I made it. See, like that part, that yolk little thing. So usually when that happens and the egg separates, it's a pet peeve of mine. I hate it. So I usually mix it in with the yolk mixture basically. But like I said, that's what we have to do now. Then let's see. Then you use flour. I use Slap Your Mama for different seasonings and all that stuff. I suck at seasoning the flour, so I had to go back in because I think I definitely put too much flour instead of the Slap Your Mama seasoning because you could barely taste that. Because I definitely want to try that the next time that I do it. So you want to just shake, 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 senora, shake your body, right? You want to shake it as much as possible and everything like that and mix. And I'm black. I'm using my bags for grocery bags and for mixing bags. So, that's what the real tea is about. Next, I had used some other eggs for like the coating on the egg. So just a couple of them because you don't need too much basically when you do that. So make sure you scramble it up to get that mixture. Then what I did was take the egg from the flour mixture and I added it in there. So I do have panko. This is breadcrumb seasoning, which is good for the coating. I had mixed it in there and put it in there dry from the flour seasoning into the pancos, and I don't know why I did that because that was not what I was supposed to do. I remember seeing the video of how to do these eggs, and for some reason I'm like, oh, I just go off memory, and I shouldn't have because I did not remember that. No, that was not it. Like you can't have it dry, some type of dry before, and then put it in something else that's dry, because it came out where it did not. The panko seasoning crumbs did not stick to. Yeah. So then what I did was do another thing of egg wash type, not egg wash, but the egg mixture, because I had threw the eggs away. Just over here wasting. Like eggs ain't $30 a fucking carton. Um, but what I did was go back in, put them back in the egg little mixture, and then shake them up. Make sure the egg is all throughout, inside, outside of the egg as much as possible. This was kind of better this time. And then what I also did was put it in the panko's uh, breadcrumbs as well, and then it did catch it, and it coated real good. So I was really and truly happy about that. So yay me! But yeah, let's talk about eggs because I usually buy a dozen eggs and they like two something dollars. I usually buy 2 dozen eggs now, and them mugs is really like $7, $8. Like what the? But I do go to Walmart, and that's usually my go-to store for everything. But if y'all know some other stores I can go to, let me know because Walmart been tripping as well. I want to boycott them, but they right around the corner. So yeah. So then what you want to do also, shake the bag up again. Make sure you get all the coating. If it's not getting on there, you can like hand do it and put it on there as well. But mine's actually had made it on there, so I was happy and satisfied with that. Periana, big purr. So that's how they look. Then next is time to put them in. So I did use olive oil and let it cook. They were in there for a little bit until they got like crisp and brown to my perfection. Then what I did was use the egg mixture that I had, and I did mix some that one of them eggs that had got jacked up. I mixed it in here. I got this little thing from Dollar Store. It's like a cake decorator, like the icing type thing, and it wasn't working. So I had to hand do it And that was kind of fast, but I just basically coated it, and this is how they look.